Machonya kaya dinocha Matakwa matana Uborume Iyo Mboke geruo Oga chake dikuku Iyo sorogi mebenuo Imanu gochala chacha go kwanuo Ya lelele Onyaka ya dinocha Imachia na barayo Yele Onyaka ya dinocha
What is this division all about?
Hey, Nani, you have not heard the good news.
Good news? What good news?
Nani, Echezona's hideout has been discovered. Hey, Chinekele!
Did you say his hideout?
Yes. He was seen this afternoon in Ubuleke Kingdom by Mazezi Amaka. Imanasi na ukunaga 111. Nanya naga 111 nese.
Ego Ibo. Where did you get this information from?
From the market, oh. The news is everywhere. Mandi owi, mandishi. Everybody has heard now. They have heard. He thought he had escaped from the wrath of those he killed their loved ones. The people are gathering right now. They want to go and catch him. He must pay. Oga Kugoya. They will deal with him. Hey! You know what you are. You know that you know what you are.
Don't call up wrong. Don't the kind of boy must happen all that. Nothing will happen to you.
Nobody. Anybody?
Oh no!
Oh, good day.
Huh? You people did not follow the routes that went to fetch Echezono from Ubuleke.
Oh, yeah, we went to the palace, but we were told that they came here to pick your husband.
Yes, but they have gone. They've gone to Ubuleke.
Oh, really? In that case, we have to hurry up so that we can meet up with them. Yes. Ishimo, I want to confess. Confess what? Echezono is innocent. Hey! I was the one that poisoned the medicine. You did what?
I was just jealous of him that he was not my true son. Forgive me. Arunuma.
So you are responsible for all our people's death, including my mother.
Hey, you are very wicked.
The wicked will not go unpunished.
You are very wicked. Hey!
Don't bring him out, oh! Don't bring him out! Bring him out! Go! Yeah, I know.
We'll kill somebody if you don't bring him now.
Bring him out now!
Want to say yourself?
Bring him out.
Go and bring him!
I know. Just calm down. We'll see him now.
You must bring him out.
Yes.
You must bring him out.
Yes.
You must bring him out.
Yes.
My prince.
Who are these people and what do they want?
They said they want to take Echerson away. Bring.
Yes.
My prince.
Yes.
Hurry!
Yes. Somebody must die.
Yes.
Seriously.
Huh? Is it?
Is this the face of the man you seek?
Yes! Look at him. Ozumulao. Yes.
Look at his big head. Wicked mother.
Finally.
Wicked mother.
What is going on here? Father. I said what is going on here?
These people are here to take the herbalist away for the atrocity committed in their land.
And who is the speaker among you? Let him speak up and tell me the offense of this young man.
Your Highness. This man here is a murderer.
Yes.
Murderer?
Yes.
He killed our loved ones with his poisonous herbal medicines.
Yes.
He killed your loved ones with his poisonous herbal medicine?
Yes.
We have been searching for him all this while until we got this information that he is in your kingdom. That's why we're here.
Your Highness, I am innocent. Do not allow them to take me away, please. Father, do not listen to him. He is lying. You are lying. Please, allow him live. You will live. Father, allow him live, so that he can go and pay for his sins. Yes.
People of Amafo Kingdom.
This young man here has been treating my wife and he has got poisoned her. How do you convince me that he is guilty of this offense you are accusing him of?
Your Highness, his father is here with us. He is a living witness. If I can do that. Are you the father?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What do you have to say?
Your Majesty, please, before they take me away, let me use this opportunity to tell Echerson here his real identity.
You may go ahead.
Are you looking for somebody?
Yes. I'm very thirsty. I need water. Please.
You need water?
Please, water.
I'm coming. Let me drink water. Why don't you come inside? It's raining. I'm annoying. Easy. Another one. Yeah. I am coming. Oh, Chidekwa.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Welcome.
Who are you? What is it?
My waist! Hey! Hey!
I don't know how. She came here asking me for her. I've given her the first one. This is the second one. I don't know. I've never seen her before. Really?
Hey! My waist!
Sorry. Sorry now. Sorry. Sorry.
Dear, the woman gave birth to a baby boy. We could not, she could not tell us who she was because she died immediately after giving birth.
Father, are you trying to tell me that you're not my true father?
I am very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. We had to keep you because by then we had no child of our own. That woman, by every standard, was a queen. And she has been the same woman appearing to you in your dreams.
I can't believe this. Oh, wait, let me get something clear. Did you just say the woman that was pregnant is looking like a queen?
Your Majesty.
27 years ago was exactly when Nnenna was banished from this land. Igwe Ugonabo told me before he died that Nnenna was 2 months pregnant. No, he has to die. Oh yes, he must die.
No, he has to die. Take him away! Make sure he pays for his life.
Lock on the gate!
Take him away! What is?
Let us know he's innocent.
Innocent?
Yes. If I can't lose wife. Ego, she has confessed.
That what?
That she was the one that poisoned the medicine. Yes. She died after making the confession.
Ibe is right. We all there witnessed her confession.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes. He's innocent.
Have you seen it?
So that your wife is evil.
You wanted to kill an innocent boy.
Hey!
Igwe Ezenwan's Ofala festival was very colorful.
Yes, indeed, it was. He really prepared for it. He told me that this year's Ofala was going to be splendid, exceptional, and he made it.
He is a man of high taste, and I envy him for that.
He's a good man, and his people like him for that. He is also taking care of his people.
All right. It is said that the glory of a king is the well-being of his people.
You are very correct.
Your Majesty, I am still very much disturbed.
About what? About your wife's condition. I think it is better you take a second wife.
Since Nena cannot give you a child that would take over from you when you must have joined your ancestors.
Oh, you worry too much.
Your Majesty, this is a serious matter. We're talking about somebody that will succeed you.
Do not bother. You worry too much. Now listen, you are the only one I'm going to tell this.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
Are you telling me the truth, or you're just trying to pull my legs?
This is the truth. This is good news. Yes. I am so happy to hear it. So I have been worrying myself over nothing. That is it.
Oh yeah. I took a nice decision by telling the people of Amafo Kingdom not to go with that young man, so that I will kill him myself. I cannot take that story for granted. He deserves to die. Oh yes, he deserves to die.
This is the reason Mama was maltreating me in the house. Am I an orphan? No mother, no father, no brother, no sister. This woman that has been appearing to me happens to be my late mother. Thanks to the gods that brought me here. At least I will be here and start up a new life.
Herbalist. My mother is recovering fast, and this means your days in this palace are numbered. Now that you have discovered who you are, you will soon move to the desert and probably create a home for yourself. One more thing. If I ever see you around my woman again, I swear by the gods, I will cut off your manhood. Enjoy my grace for now.
chachago kwanu ya lelele onyakaya.
This calls for celebration. Yes. At last.
Come in. What is this look on your faces? Don't tell me that young man escaped from your custody.
Your Highness, Thunder killed one of us as we are about to kill the young man.
Thunder? In this dry season?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Are you out of your mind or something? Tell me it's a lie.
He's right, Your Majesty. One of us is lying dead now by the roadside. That was why we ran for our dear lives.
Both of you are very stupid. That is what you are. Now, where is the young man I asked you to kill? Now listen to me, both of you. Look for him wherever he is and carry out my order. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now get out of my presence. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Are you alright?
Okay, I will confess. Are you alright? Please don't kill me. I will confess. I will confess. Please don't kill me.
Dikeh, what are you saying?
I will confess, but don't kill me, please. I killed my late brother. Hey! I killed him.
Hey!
He spared my life.
Hey!
Hey, I poisoned him through Queen Nena's lady. Hey!
I have heard what you said. I will take care of it in the next cabinet meeting.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You are welcome.
In that case, I have to take my leave now.
Extend my greetings to your wife, Oju.
Your Majesty, I sure will. Your Majesty, I am so excited that you are getting stronger by the day. It means the Queen's medicine is doing you good.
You are very right. That's why I don't miss it every night.
Oh, that's so good. Your Majesty, before I forget, what you told me the day we were going to Amafo Kingdom, were you really serious about it?
Remind me, I'm not sure I remember.
Your Majesty, how can you forget so soon? You said something about the Queen being pregnant, remember?
I am very serious about it.
Really?
It's you, only you that knows about it apart from my wife and I. Let's keep it. I don't want it broadcasted yet.
Your Majesty, I understand. I perfectly understand you. But to be honest with you, I'm so excited to hear this news.
Yes.
The gods have finally decided to bless us.
Yes, at last.
Thank you, Your Majesty, once again. I have to take my leave now.
All right. Godspeed, eh?
Yes.
Hi, my brother.
Good day, sir.
Amara, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Amara, you will come to my house this evening. I have a message for you.
Okay, sir.
Please, don't let anyone know that you're coming to my place. Find a way and sneak out. I can assure you, if there is any trouble, I will protect you, okay? Come on, it's something you can do, right? Good, just come. I have a message for you. Go, all right. Thank you. So, the Queen is 2 months pregnant. No, I will not allow that to affect my plans. Let me finish with one first. Let's continue from there. Yes. Amara, thank you. This is 20,000 naira. You will get double of this if you do what I ask you to do.
Nai, I'm sorry, I can't do this.
Oh, come on, Amara. Listen, once the Igwe dies, I will take over the throne. And once I take over the throne, I promise I will divorce the queen and make you the new queen of this kingdom. Amara, are you willing to do this for me? I promise I will make you the new queen. I will. Oh, good. You can now go. I promise you will be the new queen of this kingdom. Yes. Just go before you go. Thank you. It will work. It will work. Ezemo, I have completed my plans. Igwe Ogonabo will die tonight. Oh yes, it will. But it must be a secret between us.
Chill, Dabara. What you are asking for is too much on me. How do you think the people will react if they eventually find out the truth?
But you are the mouthpiece of the gods. No one can question your actions. Listen, my promise to you remains. When I eventually become the king of this land, you will be earning 10% of all internal revenues. I promise you that.
Then you have to swear an oath for me on that.
Accepted.
Then, after the death of the Igwe, how do you intend to carry out the second plan?
I will still use the same maiden. Yes. She will steal the offer from the throne room, and it will be declared missing the following day.
How could you send a woman to tamper with the offer? The staff of authority of this land. It is an abomination. Arrow.
Well, she is the only instrument we have.
We must do away with the queen by all means. Don't you understand?
No. Count me out of that, if that is what you have in mind.
Well, listen, there is no other way. I don't want to involve any other person since we have started using the queen's maiden.
Then what next after the declaration that the offer is missing?
Everything remain according to plan. Everything.
Jodaba, I don't like this whole arrangement at all. I wouldn't have involved myself in it. If I had known, it would get to this extent.
Ezemo, you don't have to say that. Everything will end well, I assure you. Count on me. I know what I'm doing. Don't worry, it will be fine, okay? Leave it for me. Just leave it for me.
Now, Yudabara, I am not happy with what I'm doing. The queen has been so good to me. Why am I doing this to her?
Listen, my dear. You are fighting for your own good. You cannot remain a maiden forever. I want you to make good use of this opportunity that you have.
But Inai, I'm so afraid.
You don't have to be afraid. This is the last plan before you can ever have the chance of becoming the queen of this kingdom. Nothing good comes easy.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Good. Listen. The youths have completed the search. This is the offer. The offer of the kings. I want you to take this. Hide it under Queen Enena's bed. Tomorrow, Ezemo will proclaim a search. The queen will be banished from the land as soon as the offer is discovered inside the room. And then the rest will be history. Take it. Say, listen, you are close to becoming a queen. Please take it. Oh God, don't be afraid. I am with you. You have nothing to worry about. You just have to be careful. Be careful, okay?
I am scared.
Don't be scared. Nothing good comes easy. Don't be scared. I am with you.
Are you sure?
Of course I am. I am, okay? I am with you. Good.
What have I done? I've killed the king. And the queen has been banished from the land. Oh,
Amara, you don't have to worry. You'll be fine. Listen, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, okay?
I shouldn't have done this. I killed the Igwe, and the queen has been banished from the land.
Now, come on, be yourself. Before you give yourself trouble. Listen, I promised you I am a man of my words. I promised you that I was going to give you double of that money, and here is your balance. Take it. Listen, tomorrow I will send my wife packing to accomplish my last promise to you so that you will be the next queen of this land.
Did you really mean it?
Oh, Amara, you thought I was joking? I am a man of my word. Just watch me, okay? You can go now. Tomorrow you will hear more news.
Thank you, Nai.
You're welcome. And you too. You are blessed already. You are blessed already, eh? Okay, bye. Idiot. Couldn't be the queen. Idiot. Where's my mother? Where's the money?
Come on, big queen. Nonsense. Nonsense.
I also killed Ezebo, please.
Abomination.
Please, my elders, please forgive me, spare me, please. Please.
Your Majesty, we are disappointed in you. We are disappointed. Hey! Oh.
Hey.
This is unbelievable. Hey!
It will never happen.
Where will this be done?
Please, I want you to look for a Chizoba, the herbalist. I attempted to kill him last night when I suspected that he is my late brother's son. Hey! But the gods were with him. I couldn't kill him. Please look for him wherever he is.
Your Majesty,
please.
You are this mean?
No, I'm
You are this heartless?
I am sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Hey!
Don't kill me, please. Please.
He also confessed before he died that Echezona is late Igwe Ogonabo's son. And as a result, the elders have decided to go in search of that young man. Wherever he is, we want to bring him back.
Excuse me. Oh, no. Excuse me. I am not a fool. Yes. You killed my father so you can bring in an impostor to take over my throne. Odele, withdraw that statement here and now. I will not. Yes, I won't. You both have failed. I repeat, you killed my father so you can take away my throne? No one, I mean nobody, will take away my father's throne from me. Not when I'm still alive.
Now listen to me, Odili. Odili, listen. Yes. The bees sting the very head that stirred them. Take it easy. Now sit down. Odili, I said sit down. We have not come here to quarrel with you.
Oh no. What else are you going to tell me? I repeat myself. You killed my father. Yes. And I want to let you know that if anyone dares with the throne, heads will roll in this kingdom. This I promise you.
Well, oh no, my son is right.
Good.
Yes. He is the heir apparent to the throne. Well, I wouldn't want you to start what you will not finish.
Good.
As for the death of my husband, you still owe us an explanation.
Including you. Oh. Akude, let us go.
Mother, look at these cockroaches sat before us.
trying to take over our throne. Thank you for your support. Good day, my prince. Good day, my prince. Listen to me. Listen and listen very carefully. Yes, my prince. I want you both to go into the village and search for that herbalist. Do you hear me? Yes, my prince. Do not leave any stone unturned. Search every home in this kingdom. And when you find him, kill him. Yes. Kill him and bring his head to me. I want to spit on it. Pwah! Have I made myself clear? Yes, ma'am. Now go! Yes, ma'am. Go!
Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo mina chonya kaya dinocha matakwa matana ukworume bunomu. Iyo mboke geruo.
What are you doing here?
Please help me. Please, I'm begging you. I'm so hungry. Please, I have not eaten for 2 days now. I've been sleeping inside the bush. Please help me. Please, I beg you.
It's okay.
Please.
Stand up. The guards are here. In case they're looking for you. Just go and hide. Hey.
We are searching every house. Open the door for us.
What are you looking for?
We are searching every house in this kingdom for Echezona. It's an order from the prince. Let's go in.
I have nothing to hide. Huh? Ojugo and her children last time, before you and I, accused us of killing Igwe Udaba. We can't stand this. We can't take it lying low. Let us discuss on what to do. Because accusing the council of elders of killing Igwe is very sacrilegious. It is not something we will brush under the carpet. No!
I know what you are talking about. You want us to do something about it so they will face the consequence, not so?
Yes.
Very good. I was a witness. We were there. I heard her accusing us directly. But, fellow elders, let us forget about the allegations for now. That is not important now. No wise man just sees a rat while his house is on fire. It's not done. The important thing now is let us discuss on how to bring back that son of late Igwe Ogonabo.
Oh no.
Hold on.
Oh no.
That is just it.
Oh no. It is not as if I'm interrupting you.
No, go ahead, speak.
But let us first of all find out if that young man is truly late Igwe Ugonabo's son. This is because Igwe Udabara did not state it categorically clear that that young man is his late brother's son. Yes!
You see why 2 good years are better than 1. In support of what Dikeh has just said, we have to consult as first and foremost, so that we will be spiritually guided. Let the gods guide us so we don't make mistakes. So are we agreeing on that? Okay, I give me few minutes, not the person. Eye of the gods, we have come to you. As no na bo kokoba anumanu. Ujechi ahu no osisi. Ono koba mmadu. Ujeku nwanne koko ya. We have come to you. We want you to consult the gods so that we will know the true position of things in this our kingdom. That means we want to know the true identity of the young man in question. We want to know.
Oh yes. You are welcome, elders of Allah. Anazo is azo. Isi gabu eze gabu eze. The kingship of any land lies in the hands of the gods. Therefore, let no man think he can manipulate the wishes of the gods. The young man in question is the late King Ugonabo's son. Look for him and bring him back. He shall be crowned the Igwe of this land.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ezemo.
But before you leave, I see incest in the palace.
Insects?
How? Which, if nothing is done, it will bring doom to this land. Udabara's children have started sleeping with each other.
I speak to you. Arukwonwa abomination.
As I speak to you now, the princess is currently pregnant for her brother. In other ways, it's not their fault. The gods want to use that avenue to punish Udabara for defiling the sacred land of Ubuleke Kingdom.
Biko, wise one. As no na be ku ni ihe na ato uto. Ekwu ihe ọ na-atọ ke? Please, how do we go about it? So that we don't get confused.
Yes. Udabara family should be banished from this kingdom with immediate effect. Then sacrifice should be performed to cleanse the land before the new Igwe takes over.
I was knocking at your door last night. You refused to
I'm pretty cynical about everything. I do not want your trauma anymore, Oliver. Please let me be.
Do what you say. Anyway, I want to go to your bedroom. Because I want to do with you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Damn!
You don't shout at me. Remember, I am still carrying the child.
Nonsense! Listen, let me tell you this. You have to get really careful. This thing you are carrying in your room. Because I am not ready to sleep with you any longer. Do you get it?
Adi, you don't dare me. Because I'll go straight to mother and tell her everything. There's no point. There's no point coming to me because I said everything. Are you serious when you said you're pregnant with your brother's child? What have you done? What did you do? Oh, Dele. Hey.
Mother, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mother, please. this offering.
Forgive me. I know I caused it all. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Honey, I know you caused all this, so please, I'm sorry.
Just look at me. You have ruined my life.
Honey, I'm sorry. Please, let's take Mama to the hospital, please. She has opened her eyes. Mama! Mama!
Mother, please forgive us. Please. Please forgive us. Please, Mother.
Greetings, elders of our land. I hope there is no problem.
No, we'll tell them why we are here.
Hold on. Odile. The wind has blown and we have seen the anus of the fowl. Yes. Good one.
No, please go straight to the point.
Can you have your peace? Nothing is ever hidden under the sun. Nothing. Odile. All the secret dealings you have been having with your sister have been exposed by the gods. Your sister is pregnant for you. And such has never happened in the history of this land. Never! And as a result, the gods have demanded that you, your mother, your sister, must leave this land with immediate effect.
Banishment?
My elders.
Or banishment?
My elders, please, I'm sorry, it's all my fault.
Come forward.
We have no such powers to pardon you. The gods have taken their decision.
I said come close!
My elders, please.
Immediately.
I'm so sorry. Please.
You have to leave and never return.
Sister. Don't sleep on God.
Please. Please have mercy. Have mercy. Please.
Leave it.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, there is something called that
And it is not necessary now.
Collect it!
I'm sorry.
Now listen. Listen. The frowning face of a he-goat does not and can never prevent it from being dragged to the market by the owner when the need arises. Take them away from here. Oh yeah. Take them away from here. Princess Kabinos, oh yeah. Princess Ukuno, oh yeah. Let's go. Don't touch me.
What about my boxes?
I'm done now. Let's go. You're wasting our time.
My trunk. Cello, no, my trunk boxes. My boxes, my shoes, my jewelry.
We'll go forest for you. You'll need some there.
Where will I run to? Where will I go to? Nowhere to go to. The best thing is for me to kill myself. I have no mother, no brother, no sister, no father. So of what use is this world to me? Of what use?
Why do you want to kill yourself? Why? The people have been searching for you to make you their king.
Who are you?
I am your mother. I died while giving birth to you. Since then, my spirit has not been at rest because I vowed to protect your destiny. Now that your enemies have been subdued by the gods, go and take your father's throne. Go. The people will tell you the rest. Now, my spirit can rest in peace.
My king, the battle is over.
Did you just call me a king?
Yes. You are the future king of the Dikeh kingdom. Your people have been searching everywhere for you. Follow me.
Hey! I cannot fall into your trap. For I do not know who you are!
My king, I cannot lie to you. Come on.
Destiny can be with the power vested on me as the kingmaker and the traditional prime minister, the Ono Buleke Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Gonabo II of Buleke Kingdom. And of course, the office will be complete without this stuff. And lastly, the great offer of our land, a symbol of authority. And in the same vein, you, Neka, his wife, I crown you the queen of this land. And also this is the symbol of the office.
This is also Gwen. Yeah. Gwen. Yeah. Gwen. Yeah. Press on.
Destiny can be delayed, but destiny can never be changed. Iyo mina chonya kaya dinocha. Matakwa matana ogworume nomu iyo mboge geruo oga chake dikuku iyo sorogi mebenu imanu gochala chacha gokwanu ya lelele Onyaka ya dinocha Ima chia na bara yo Chia na